Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to replace this LEVOIT air filter. This is for the LEVOIT Sprout / Baby Air Purifier. Here's the actual air filter from LEVOIT. It has the word LEVOIT on it. You do have to install it one way. It's got like a foam here on it, but it does have a nice little handle. First thing, make sure you take the plastic off of this. Now, if you rotate the top part to the left and kind of hold the bottom part, this should come apart. You're going to grab the air purifier filter. Now, you replace this after 1 year, but every month you're going to clean this pre-filter. There's a little screen that's on top of this filter. Now, it's permanently attached, but you want to vacuum that off with a vacuum cleaner. Then you can reinstall this, and after 12 months, you should replace the entire filter. There is a little bit of activated carbon in there to help with odor. You simply put it in there, take this, set it on there, and then you're just going to rotate it like that. Now on the display right here, there's going to be a filter light that comes on. Now to reset that, we're going to hold the mode button for 3 seconds. So up here, that filter light's going to be on. Mine's not on right now, but I would hold this mode button for 3 seconds, and that would reset. See, that resets the filter light right there. This is a really nice air filter. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.